Here I have the Park theme, and also have installed the Polylang plugin. Here it is. So I will now start with this plugin. I will choose English for the first language, and also will set by default all pages and posts to be in English. Now here it is, default is English, and let's say the second language to be French. Add new language. So I have English and French. What I will do now, I will add, let's say, about page in French. Here will be about French, about content French, and here I will set hide there I am French, publish, and also we'll add one more page, let's say gallery, French, and here we set gallery content French, publish. Now when I go to the park, of course there is only the default menu. What I will need to do is to go to appearance menus, and here we have this option, language switcher. I need to add this to menu, and here it is. You here have display as drop down, display flags. Let's say I will select these options, and this is the main menu for the English. Click save. Now when I go to the park, I have this, and this is the main menu for the English. Of course you can here use not as drop down, let's say these two options only. Here it is, English, French. Also you can remove flags. So that is the menu for the English. What you will need to do is to create one new, here create a new menu. I will set now menu French, create menu, and here we'll add only pages which are in the French. For now I have only gallery and about, and I need to check this option here, main menu for the French, and also to add language switcher at the end. Save menu. So I have now, this is the English version. When I go to the French version, I have here gallery and about. I need to add more pages. Then click on about. Here it is, hi there, I am French. About content French. Gallery content French. So that is, you need to use two menus, and in each of them to include this language switcher. Just to take a look here in settings, you will need to activate this portfolio and portfolio category to if you will use the portfolio So if you don't, without this, I will not deactivate, there is no option here to translate in second language, in French. So you will need to go settings, portfolio category, and now when you go to the portfolio, here it is, you have English and French version.